In this video, we will show you how to remove efflorescence from your Campagna cast stone pieces and reapply touch-up to make them look good as new. First, identify the spot that is affected on your piece. Spray the efflorescence cleaner on with a spray bottle until it starts to bubble, and allow this to sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Using a Scotch-Brite pad, scrub the affected and surrounding areas. Then rinse with water. If needed, scrub the area again until the efflorescence is gone and rinse again thoroughly with water. Once the efflorescence is off your piece, apply your stain touch-up. Using a spray bottle to apply the patina is a faster, more precise method. Allow to dry completely, and your piece should be looking like it just left the factory.